This global tobacco company has been operating in South Africa since 1904. Tobacco processing machine operators work here in two departments, one that manufactures tobacco and the other the filters. Each cigarette brand has a unique recipe that involves blending tobacco leaves from all over the world. The robot attendant cuts the boxes. The bales of leaves are chopped into 4 pieces, breaking down into even smaller pieces as they travel. The attendant does visual checks for foreign objects like oils, beetles, mold or metal, and does a sensory check for any foreign smells. The conditioning cylinder blends and adds flavor, steam, and water to the leaves. They are then cured in silos for a specified period. The tobacco is cut, steamed again, dried and cooled. Then they add stems, tiny pieces of cut leaf and recycled cut tobacco known as Fibex. An operator assists the production technician who is responsible for general observation of the plant operation. He is technically trained to safely open and clean the machinery. It's important that there's no contaminated tobacco in the mix. Any tobacco that falls on the floor is contaminated. Forklift drivers load bins of cut and blended tobacco to the feeders, which automatically tip them into the feeding line. It travels through these lines to the cigarette-making department. They are also responsible for product integrity, ensuring that the right type of tobacco is loaded for the correct cigarette. Filters are manufactured here in the filter-making department. Fiber, made from the tree pulp, is stretched by the filter-making machine, a process known as blooming. It is then wrapped in paper and glued. One continuous rod is cut into 4 cigarette filters. The filters are stored in trays and stacked in trolleys. The filter-making machine operator's responsibilities include adjusting monitors, loading materials, and achieving production targets. The machines make about 25 million filters a day. That's about 100 million cigarettes. The trolley handlers bring empty trolleys to the machine and move the full ones to the storage area, where the filters are cured for 40 minutes. The filtromat operator loads the cranes into the filtromat. They automatically move into and through the machine. Air pressure shoots the filters through these pipes to the cigarette-making department. It shoots about 1,000 filters a minute, which travels a distance of about 500 meters. The operator's responsibilities include a final quality inspection. Tobacco processing machine operators need a minimum of matric, then on-the-job training is provided. Employees can become multi-skilled and able to work with many different kinds of machines and processes. Motivated operators can upskill to become production technicians.